Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like swirl text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to simply go to text and I'm just going to add text and I'm just going to type in the word swirl. I'm also going to change the font of that as well, and I might like add in like a bit of a, like an effect maybe. I'm not sure if I want it though. So we'll probably just stick with that. Go to effects and go to distortion and add in distortion rotation. And if you want it to move, just add in a keyframe. So I'm just going to like add in a keyframe here, and like at the end I'm going to go to range and I'm going to adjust that to create like a swirl. And that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.